जय हिंद दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ट्रैवलिंग monk of India. So happy Diwali guys. This is my Diwali ride and I am at Bharvi Dam. So Bharvi Dam is a place which is actually a dam which services water to most of Navi Mumbai, especially the MIDC area. It's a very nice place to drive your bike. So right now I will keep quiet for a moment, enjoy the exhaust note, because I believe while running no one has shared any exhaust note for Pera. So please enjoy the exhaust note for a few seconds. Okay guys, so what do you feel? How is the exhaust note? So what I felt is my bike has performed really well, though in last 1 month after my Mathiran trip with Dave, I haven't gone out a lot. The reason being I was busy with my work and stuff. So today I got some time because of Diwali, and I thought I will drive my bike. So I came to this beautiful place. The ride out here is very enjoyable because it's between the forest ranges and the hill that I am driving my bike. And the road is pretty good. There are patches which are bad, but still it's okay. I enjoy the solo ride out here because of the calmness of the nature. Though there are some call outs out here that there are wild animals like a cheetah or something that can come around, so you have to be a little bit careful. But I haven't experienced anything or I haven't seen anything, but there have been people who have told that there are cheetahs also out here, which are basically the predator animals. Other than that, there are peacocks and all, which I have also seen out here, which is the reason I love to come out here. But during rainy season it's more fun. But unfortunately this time, because of COVID and stuff, I wasn't allowed to come here specifically during rainy season. So I thought today is Diwali and I should have a Diwali ride, so I came here with my bike. I think this is the best Diwali bike ride that I have done. It's a solo ride that I have been doing, and I enjoy doing a solo ride during such auspicious day. Now to talk about my Java Perak. After my first servicing, I haven't driven a lot, but whatever I have driven I have enjoyed. The bike's performance has improved a lot. The And it's normal that after servicing, things will free up, the engine will free up a lot, and that has happened. I can see the gear shifting is very smooth now. Though I feel that when I stop my bike and I try to bring my bike to neutral, I find a little bit of a challenge, because sometimes it doesn't fall into neutral and keeps going to second gear or first gear. So that is one thing that I have seen happening, but other than that, no issues. Probably I'll call it out in my second service and they should fix that. Other than that, pretty good day, pretty enjoyable ride. The bike is not heating up as much as it was heating up earlier, so that is also a very good thing. Speed wise, I haven't tested beyond 80-85 kilometers per hour, but I feel that is good enough. I don't want to get into the top speed thing, because I feel that is dangerous, and sharing those kind of videos makes me feel like I am encouraging others to do the same, which can be risky or fatal for them as well as for others on the road. So that is the reason I avoid doing such things, and hence I am not going to put any such videos. I have got few requests, but I will ignore those. I want to know the comments how you felt my way of capturing the exhaust note while riding, because that is more important. Uh, Okay, so I'll go back from here because I have reached already Murbad. So thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel and wait for the latest video. It will be very soon out. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Happy Diwali. Have fun. Stay safe with your family and fight for yourself, guys. Bye.